Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do monthly love reading for Virgo. It's sign for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Virgo. Your first card, Six of Swords, and your second card, the Moon. Yeah, and your third card, two of Pentacles. Yeah, one person in this connection is juggling. Yeah, between the persons, between the career, between person and career, whatever. One person in this connection is juggling. And Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. And the Moon, someone in this connection hides something from the other person, and some illusions are there, some differences are there between both of you. Yeah, but one person is juggling. Let's see some more. Princess of Cups, Seven of Wands, the Devil. Yeah, one person in this connection is very obsessive. The Devil energy is here, and they are very defensive also. But one person in this connection is very nurturing, and they trust their intuition, and they always try to make things possible. I think it could be you, but one person is very defensive and very obsessive and very dominative in this connection. I think it could be your person. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Three of Cups, Ten of Swords, yes, and Four of Swords. Okay, I don't read reverse cards. Okay, Three of Cups, Ten of Swords, and Four of Swords. Yeah, for some it could be third party situation. Something is ended between both of you. Yeah, Ten of Swords, one person ended the things with the other person because they are fed up. I think it could be you, maybe ended this due to third party. Four of Swords, yeah, you are not talking to your person. You are taking your time, you are taking rest, you are healing, and you are undergoing some meditation, Virgo. Yeah, due to third party. For some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Some new cycles are going to be begin for some, but most of you, I think it is ending between both of you. It could be temporary or permanent, it doesn't depend, but some endings. The Tower, yes, for some there is separation, some tower moment. Okay, Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Virgo. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles with Queen of Wands. You are very giving and sharing, when very caring person, but your person not putting effort as much as you put in this connection. That's why the Tower moment is happened. You walked away, I think, or you ended things between both of you, or your person maybe ended things between both of you. That's why this separation is happened for some. Yeah, Queen of Wands, but you stand by your power after this also. So let's see your person current feelings and actions, then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings and actions towards you in the month of November. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, Five of Cups. Yeah, they are very sad for the separation between both of you. Five of Cups and Chariot. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire sign. Yeah, definitely your person want to offer long-term commitment this time. They want to take things to next level. Chariot is also very slow moving energy. Still they want to take things to next level, but It is slow, but it is coming because your person is feeling very sad for the separation between both of you. Yeah, they want to offer this commitment to you. Let's see their actions towards you. These are their feelings. Let's see their actions. Three of Swords, Knight of Swords, and Eight of Wands. Yeah, communication. They will communicate you. Definitely you will receive communication from your person, and they are rushing towards you like this. Knight of Swords. Yeah, they want to offer long-term commitment to you. They are very sad without you and heartbroken. They are heartbroken without you. Yeah, they want to rush towards you. Wow, they are coming back. Things between both of you changing rapidly, because Eight of Wands is changing the situations fastly, and communication is also coming in your way. Definitely your person will express their feelings to you this time if they are not in past. Yeah, you will get clarity from that communication. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, but you stand by your power whatever is happening, Virgo. So let's see cards from universe for the connection, where it is headed in near future. King of Pentacles, and yeah, 2 times Eight of Wands. Communication is the key here. Ten of Wands, fire energy, and Eight of Pentacles. Yes, I already told you your person want to work on this relationship, definitely, because in past or for something, I think you could be feeling like this because you only Virgo, you putting a lot of effort in this connection, that's why you're feeling like this. But now your person also want to take responsibility. They want to also work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles, it is slow but stable. Definitely Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they are coming, but it is very slow moving energy, because Chariot is also very slow moving energy. But Eight of Wands, at least you will get clarity from your person through communication. In actions, definitely they will, but it will take time, because Knight of Pentacles and Chariot, very slow moving energy. Still they are moving. Definitely they want to work on this relationship if you give another chance. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, it's up to you, depending upon your situation, because this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. And lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the month of November. Virgo, Queen of Swords, Three of Swords, okay, Nine of Swords. What is happening? Yeah, you are also sad for the separation, but it is in past. After the separation, everybody has some pain. That's pain, but later you realized you also feel like this. You are heartbroken, but then you become like this. Queen of Swords, you cut everything that doesn't serve you, because you are worthy, you are loved. Now this you stand by your power. Already told you Queen of Wands is here. Definitely you stand by your power. Now it is in your hands. If you want to give another chance, it's up to you. If you don't want to, it is also up to you, because now it's in your hands, because you stand by your power. Now it's your person turn. Definitely they want to work on this relationship. It's up to you, Virgo. So let's see your person overall energy for the month of November. Ten of Cups, the Hermit, Nine of Cups. Yeah, I already told you they are wishing for this connection. Yeah, they want this connection, but they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Your person could be Virgo. Yeah, they want this happiness with you. They want to marry you, and they want to commit to you. Ten of Cups. See the family here. Definitely they want to commit to you. If it is not third party, definitely they want happy family with you. Yeah, after spiritual awakening, they realize you both. Virgo means hermit means they isolated themselves from everything, from anyone, from all, because they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. For some it is very painful, for some it is okay, normal thing, but some spiritual awakenings are very like painful. They have to overcome, because it is life. Definitely after spiritual awakening, definitely they realize you both, and they want this happiness with you. Yeah, some communication Communication is the key because 2 times 8 of wands is here. Definitely. Lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. And click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you. Thank you for the support. Bye.